1994, a pivotal year in the life of a man who would later become one of the richest people on the planet. Jeff Bezos was sitting in his New York City apartment, staring at a spreadsheet that would change his life forever. He had just quit his lucrative job on Wall Street to pursue an idea that seemed absurd at the time: selling books online. His boss had tried to talk him out of it, saying, "This is a better idea for someone who doesn't already have a good job." But Bezos had a vision and a strategy. He wasn't just building a bookstore, he was building a platform that would revolutionize commerce. Fast forward to today, and Amazon is worth over $1.7 trillion, making Bezos one of the wealthiest individuals in history. What's fascinating about this story isn't just Bezos's boldness or his timing. It's the hidden wealth strategies he used to turn a simple idea into a global empire. These strategies aren't taught in schools or shared in mainstream financial advice. They're the secret tools billionaires use to build, grow, and preserve their fortunes. And today, we're going to uncover 5 of these hidden strategies so you can apply them to your own financial journey. As Warren Buffett once said, "The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money." Let's dive into these powerful principles and discover how you can use them to create a life of abundance and financial freedom. The first hidden strategy is leverage. Billionaires understand that time, money, and resources are finite, so they use leverage to amplify their efforts. Leverage comes in many forms: financial leverage, using debt wisely; technological leverage, automating processes; and human leverage, delegating tasks to others. The goal is to achieve exponential results with minimal input. Take Elon Musk, for example. He didn't build Tesla and SpaceX from scratch. He leveraged his early success with PayPal to fund these ventures, and he continues to leverage cutting-edge technology and top-tier talent to scale his businesses. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, explains, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. How can you use leverage? Start by investing in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Use technology to automate your finances, like setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. And don't be afraid to delegate tasks that don't require your personal attention. Remember, work smarter, not harder. The second hidden strategy is compounding. Billionaires like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have built their fortunes by harnessing the power of compound interest. Compounding is the process by which your money grows exponentially over time, as you earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns themselves. Buffett started investing at the age of 11, and by letting his investments compound over decades, he turned modest sums into billions. As he famously said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." The key here is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. To take advantage of compounding, start investing as early as possible. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. For example, if you invest $500 per month at an average annual return of 8%, you'll have over $1.4 million in 30 years. Albert Einstein reportedly said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." The third hidden strategy is tax efficiency. Billionaires are masters at minimizing their tax liabilities, allowing them to keep more of their hard-earned money. They achieve this through legal strategies like tax-advantaged accounts, charitable donations, and strategic business structures. For example, Jeff Bezos has used Amazon's corporate structure to defer taxes on reinvested profits, allowing the company to grow at an unprecedented rate. Similarly, many billionaires donate to charitable foundations, which not only benefits society, but also provides significant tax deductions. As financial expert Tony Robbins explains, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. To improve your tax efficiency, consider contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, which offer tax-deferred or tax-free growth. If you're a business owner, explore strategies like forming an LLC or S-Corp to reduce your taxable income. And don't overlook the power of charitable giving, both for your finances and your legacy. The fourth hidden strategy is intellectual capital. Billionaires understand that their greatest asset is their mind. They invest heavily in their education, skills, and personal development, knowing that these investments will pay dividends for the rest of their lives. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She grew up in poverty, but invested in her education and personal growth, eventually becoming one of the most influential and wealthy women in the world. As she famously said, "The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams." To build your intellectual capital, commit to lifelong learning. Read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Jim Rohn once said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." Remember, the more you know, the more you can achieve. The fifth and final hidden strategy is networking. Billionaires understand that success is not a solo endeavor. It's a team sport. They surround themselves with talented, like-minded individuals who can help them achieve their goals. For example, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett are not just business partners. They're close friends who share ideas, insights, and opportunities. As Gates once said, "Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning." By building strong relationships, billionaires create a support system that helps them navigate challenges and seize opportunities. To build your network, focus on adding value to others. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people who inspire you. Motivational speaker Zig Ziglar famously said, "You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want." Remember, your network is your net worth. Ladies and gentlemen, the path to wealth is not a mystery. It's a series of intentional choices and disciplined actions. By leveraging these 5 hidden strategies, leverage, compounding, tax efficiency, intellectual capital, and networking, you can unlock your full financial potential and create a life of abundance. As Jim Rohn once said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." Start today. Invest in yourself, build your network, and make smart financial decisions. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Thank you, and may your journey to financial freedom be filled with wisdom, growth, and success.